What happens to your phone when you drop it on hard ground? The truth is more complex than a simple crack or dent. Inside, microscopic damage can silently weaken your phone and affect performance over time. When your phone hits hard ground, the most obvious result is physical damage. The screen may crack or shatter, the back glass can break, and the metal or plastic frame might bend or dent. These visible damages are just the start. The severity depends on the surface hardness, the drop height, and how the phone lands. Even a small dent can cause tiny fractures that worsen over time. Beyond what you see, the impact sends a shockwave through the phone's interior. Components like the battery, camera modules, and circuit boards can shift slightly or get damaged. This may cause loose connections or microcracks in solder joints. Your phone might still work but could develop issues like random shutdowns, screen flickering, or worse, battery life. This internal damage is often invisible but critical. After the drop, your phone might seem fine, but internal damage can slowly degrade performance. Batteries exposed to shock may lose capacity faster. The touch screen might become less responsive or develop dead zones. Software glitches can emerge due to unstable hardware connections. This means a drop can reduce your phone's lifespan even if it looks fine externally. The best way to protect your phone from hard drops is by using shock-absorbing cases and tempered glass screen protectors. These accessories distribute the force of impact and minimize cracks or internal damage. Additionally, handling your phone carefully and avoiding high-risk situations helps. Remember, prevention is cheaper and easier than repairing or replacing parts. So what happens when you drop your phone on hard ground? More than just visible cracks, internal damage can silently reduce your phone's lifespan and performance. Protecting your device with a good case and screen protector is crucial. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and keep your tech safe and sound.